Okay, welcome to Italian Studio and Gallery. I'm presenting to you a collection I created out of my one image called the Red Parrot Tulip. As a way of testing product and creating a sample line, so I could guarantee my quality to each of you when you purchase gifts from my www.italianongallery21.com. So what I want to do is go through these so that you have a sense of what they are and how they look. Number one, I'm really thrilled with the color. So these phone cases, they come in all the sizes and specs that your phones require. So you just go in and put that in, look for that in your order. And this is a plastic cover. I'm just going to set that down here for the moment. The next item is a metal print, and I'm going to show you the whole back to it as well. It comes with the hardware for hanging, and it looks like this on the profile. And again, I'm super pleased with how the color came out on this one. And I have it sitting on an easel on the mantle, so that is totally something you could do as well if you did not want to hang it. Gift cards, you can make them out of any image on the site. These are 5x7. I have it as a blank, but there's an option for you to add your own message. A red parrot tulip to brighten your day would have been the message I might choose here. This is a sample, so I just wanted to see how it all looked. On the back, it shows the Italian logo and gives the title and my name in very subtle print down below, and includes an envelope. Okay, again, you can choose any image you want. You can create your own card set. This piece is quite a surprise for me. The Exposier, it's called, and it comes with hardware, which I have not put in yet, but it tightens this on the back, so that it hangs. I'm actually going to hang this in the window for holiday time this year. It is a thin plastic, and again, I really am pleased with the print. It's a much larger print, 16 by 20, and so when you enlarge something this detailed, they were able to really pick up on the subtlety of the watercolor from the original watercolor. In this case, I have a wrapped canvas, and I wasn't quite sure of how deep this was going to go. I'm going to rotate this all the way around. It's beautifully done. It's folded and attached in the back. It comes with a hanging system. And then it does a really interesting thing on the edge of a mirror image, easier to see probably right in here, with the vase and the leaf there. So that, I'm really pleased with how that turned out. Another option, if you like the idea of the canvas wrap, only you want to do your own framing, is this here. So this has a wrap to it that's very thin on a blackboard, and I know in my own framer's shop they have ready-mades in 8x10s, and so you can get this whole thing done for less than $20, which is really lovely, and it's a surface that can be cleaned with a sponge. A little white vinegar would do, and you could easily hang it in a kitchen. That would be a nice gift for someone. And then this piece here is on wood. So what happened with the white background, as you can see, they chose not to put the white on this. And when I received it, it also has a border, a very clean border. So in my mind as a painter, I want to go back in and do some detail work on this. And in the future, obviously, a painting that is completely painted out would have a really different effect on an item like this. But I am pleased with it. So, and I like the subtlety that it becomes. The red is kind of softens into a coral, and that might have more appeal. And then here's the situation on the back is just, this is ready to go. So you can just hang it with a couple nails or hooks or whatever you want to use. Again, you can put it into a little table easel or just set it in a bookshelf. Again, a really fabulous gift for friends, co-workers, family. These things are not terribly expensive, and I was just really pleased with the results that I had. And the other things that are missing from this are sold. I sold the set of coasters, and I also, of course, you can make tote bags with these, and a different, a line, a different grouping of the phone cases and things if you want a little stocking gift. I do recommend that you order ASAP. This took 2.5 weeks for me to receive. The shipping is delayed, as you know. And then I would like to add that in the months of November, December, I donate part of my proceeds to the Oregon Food Bank, to Lyft, to programs that involve shut-ins who need food. And so part of my proceeds of all sales from now through the end of the year are going to go towards those nonprofits and helping people to eat. So I hope that you'll join me in that, and that you'll order art for gifts this year. Real art, fine art, art that's printed. If it's not mine, order from someone else, and really consider what it means to be an artist in the world that we're in right now, and how important it is to have a piece of art in your home, in your office, in your life. And I welcome you again to Atelier None. Thank you.